The end size are being kept at the back side of the shearing machine. This is edge grinding machine. With this operation, we do edge grinding of both the sides of the body sheets to achieve better weldability by removing dust particle, rust particle, if any, by this grinding process. This is very, very essential, and we can see how the grinding has been done on the upper layer of the sheets. Now it is passing to 3-roll bending machine to form the cylindrical shape. Now the body shell is being formed. This body shell has taken into spot welding machine. This is a spot welding machine. This is required to hold the body sheets in a cylindrical shape. This body shell progress further to seam molding machine. This is longitudinal seam molding machines. This machine is 2-phase machine, and high current is being passed through the copper roller. High current means high ampere, low voltage. We can see the copper roller is passing through the body shells, and make break control is there to have better weldability. Now the body shell is completely formed. This is one of the prime operation of barrel manufacturing. Now we can see the flanging operation. This is a vertical Blum flanger. Flanging operation is being done. Let us see another operation. This is a flanging of barrels on both the sides of the body. This is the flanging for assembling of top and bottom. Now the body shell is taken to horizontal beader. This is body bead expander. This is the expander, and rolling hoop is being formed. This is inside cleaning. This we do in every barrel so that there should not be any moisture, any rust and dust particle, oil particle. Now it has come to corrugation machine. Here we form corrugation on the body to have better reinforcement. This reinforcement is required in 1 mm thickness barrels, but we don't do it in 1.25 mm barrels. Four sets of corrugations in 2 sides of the body. This is the bottom seamer. Bottom seaming is being done here by roller pressure. Rollers are coming from the back portion of the bottom. Now body is being kept. Now roller is giving pressure and seaming operation is being done. Bottom seam, after bottom seam operation, the barrel progress further to top seaming machine. This is another bottom operation, bottom seaming operation. Here we can see clearly better. Now we are progressed to top seaming machine. This is a top seaming operation. This is the top portion. Top is being kept on the top portion of the body. Now again top seaming, rollers are coming and pressing towards the body and seaming is being done. This is a spiral seam. There are 7 layers in the seams. Now vertically barrel moves to testing zone. This is the barrel leak testing. It is being done by putting pressure half kg cm square and for a few minutes. They wipe it with the soap water solutions to see whether there is any leakage or not. Now these barrels are being pushed into degreasing zone. Bunks are being fixed and tightened, then pushed to degreasing zone. We can see phosphating. This is phosphating zone. There are phosphate tanks at the bottom of the particular zone, and both sides of the barrel, upper, lower, and both the sides, there are jet nozzles and sprayed in a high speed so that barrel is washed thoroughly. Then it is water rinsing. Thereafter barrel progress further to water rinsing zone. After this chemical treatment, it goes for water rinsing. It is the same process, second stage operation. Then it goes to preheat oven for drying up of water and for the better addition of paints. Barrel passes. This is the burner we can see at the top of the tunnel. This is the oven, tunnel oven. Barrel passes through here. And the water we have seen earlier, it is completely dried up and the temperature is around 80 to 90 degree. Now painting has already been started. This is the upender from horizontal to vertical. It goes up. This is automatic airless painting. This is a very costly equipment and it is being done in the paint booth. The nozzles, paint guns are being fitted at the bottom of the barrel. At the bottom of the rotating table, there is a rotating table. We can see the rotating rollers, and there are 2 colors. Body is with signal red and top and bottom with yellow. Now this barrel takes U-turn and progress further to tunnel oven. This is a paint baking oven. This is total length is around 80 feet. Out of that, 60 feet it passes through the tunnel. The temperature of the tunnel is being kept around 130 to 40 degree for normal paint barrel. For epoxy coated barrel, we keep the temperature around 240 degrees Celsius. This is the burner, Benton burner, imported burner. And this is the oven. heat generating zone. This is the tunnel. Barrels are traveled through this tunnel. This is the chain and geared motor is there for variable speeds. Here we can adjust the speed. We can make this conveyor chain slow and fast with this particular equipment. This is a conveyor chain, slat chain. On this particular chain, barrel is traveling and coming out of the tunnel oven. The barrels are coming to the cooling zone. These barrels are absolutely dried up. This is a cooling zone of around 20 feet. Now barrels are being unloaded to printing area. Here we do screen printing. We can see that printer is ready with the silk screen frame and printing ink, and manually it is being done. Although we have the silk screen machine, but they prefer to do it manually. This is the Servo printing, Servo brand of Indian Oil. Same operation, same rhythm. This printing is being done on the middle band of the barrel. We are seeing continuous operations.